Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, January 2, 2020. Today's video is about Vaxholm Fortress. Vaxholm Fortress is a historic fortification on the island of Vaxholmen in the Stockholm archipelago just east of the Swedish town of Vaxholm. The first structure, a wooden blockhouse, was constructed by King Gustav I in 1548 as a defensive structure and customs post at this strategic site on the sea approach to Stockholm. It was replaced by a round stone tower during John III's reign. The present buildings date to 1833. Their design was inspired by ideas on fortifications propounded by French engineers the Marquis de Montalembert and Lazare Carnot. The fortress has been listed as a state monument since 1935 and now houses the Vaxholm Fortress Museum. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.